52% per year return on investment? That is the current rate paid out on the trading pair Ethereum US dollar Tether on Uniswap to liquidity providers. I will show you a real live liquidity provider trade and a real live swap trade using my very own hard-earned cash. Hi, my name's Darren Conroy and I just love cryptocurrency. From this set of videos, I will educate you on how to make realistic returns on your capital without leaving the comfort of your own home. Disclaimer: this is for educational purposes only and nothing in this presentation constitutes legal or financial advice. You understand the risks? If not, get out of here. I'll also go through all the common questions like: what is DeFi? What is Uniswap? What is a liquidity pool? What is a swap? I'll also show you on how to hedge your Uniswap liquidity stake to eliminate impermanent losses. All will be explained in the up-and-coming Uniswap Decentralized Finance tutorial videos. Hit the subscribe button to become an early adopter and help revolutionize blockchain investments. Any questions? Drop me a line in the comments below. So, what is DeFi?